Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a one of a kind video. We're going to be installing Loma starter locks. Okay, so I already shampooed her hair with this dark and lovely 3-in-1 shampoo because I want her to have a very clean base for us to start the locks. This shampoo is such a beautiful shampoo for clarifying and like giving your scalp that clean feeling. Okay, and then I went ahead to condition her hair with this Scalp Gliss hair repair conditioner. We didn't take conditioner, we just shampooed and we conditioned, and that was it. Okay, her hair was perfectly detangled. Okay, so I'm going to be using a spray bottle with water first, just water for the whole locking process, and then my DIY by Kachi Scalp Trigger Elixir. These are only the two products I'm using for her hair for this locks installation. I am so excited because you guys, all of my saying I should get locks since, and finally we did it in 2022. I'm going to be going in with this cutting or sectioning comb to just like get my parts clear. Okay, so we did a very brief length check to check, okay, how long is her natural hair before we lock it. So her natural hair was approximately 12 inches long all around. Look at me going in with the long ruler. It was 12 inches long. That's the length of a whole long ruler. Okay, so her hair was 12 inches all around, 12 inches, 13 inches in some places, but approximately 12 all around. So this is her hair, just showing you guys how far it goes down her back, just for like context, so that in case people want to ask later on in future. So we already started the lock, so because I wanted to get the size in right before I start filming. So this is the size we're going for. At this point, I had not sprayed any water on her hair. We're just like twisting and twisting and twisting. Okay, so for these locks, I wanted her part to be very defined. I love when locks have like that very neat part. I don't just know if it's just me. So I had to go in. Sectioning can take me like 5 minutes, and I did not mind because I wanted the part to be very, look, you can even see from here, the parts were so clean. I wanted them so clean. I'm doing the 2-strand twist method. Okay, so I would first braid the roots. I'll plait the roots in 3, then I will join them in 2. So if you want to see like a complete tutorial on this, please check out this video link at the top right corner, how to twist natural hair. Just check it out for like more info. Okay, but I'm just showing you guys like a sped up view of everything. I'll show you guys like a slower view later on, so just enjoy. So now we're up close and personal, so you can see my sections. I made sure that each part was was a very defined part. So we first divided each section into 3, then we just do like 3 braids, like 3 stranded braids first. We first braid like for like 4 or 5 turns. I wanted her roots to be very firm. Then after which we'll just start twisting. We'll join 2 together and just start twisting and twisting and twisting and twisting and twisting and twisting. Okay. So you can see the size I was aiming for, the size she wanted. We had already planned this like almost how many months ago, and this size was perfect. So this was actually 3 days after, because this thing took a very long while. I would spend how many minutes sectioning. So at this point, we're in the front, had like 15 to 20 more to go at this point. We're just doing the regular routine. You first braid the roots, then you twist the ends. You braid the roots, then you twist the ends. If you have any lock tips, please put in the comment section for me. I'm just trying this out. This is the first set of locks I'm installing in my life, and hopefully I'll become a loctician later on. I can't wait. I'm excited. So this is the difference between stretched hair and hair that has shrunken due to moisture. This is her stretched hair. The both like strands are the same length, but you can obviously see the stretched one is way thinner, and the one that was previously moisturized is way chunkier and shorter. I'm just showing you guys this for context. So at this point, we're on the last one. I had to film the last one because this is the last time we're going to see her hair loose. She really wants locks, guys, and if you want to even know the reason why she wants locks, I think she'll just do a video about it later on. But she really wants locks. Okay, it's just easier for her to maintain. So at this point, I'm just doing the regular twisting and twisting and twisting. can see the parts are very defined. I did not play with this part. I did not come to play with anybody. This is my part. I made sure, because Uloma really likes the defined look also. So this is the section from the side. You can see like like Uloma kept on saying that, oh Kachi, you made your hair look like all these Instagram locks. I said, yes baby. So this is it from the side, and this is it from the back view. Fam, before I tell you guys how many locks, please guess the amount of locks you expect or you think she has in the comment section. It's somewhere between 230 and 240. So tell me your answer before we go on in the comment section. Tell me in the comments, okay? So this is her hair almost all done. I'm going to show you guys the final look in a bit. So before we show you the final look, I went ahead to just spray her hair with like water so that all the stretched strands will shrink. I really wanted them to shrink up. So I drenched her hair with water, guys. I drenched it all with water. Then I went in to just like massage it all in, strand by strand, just work it all in. You can see her hair is even dripping with water. I wanted the hair to be almost wet. Then I went to my dear by Kachi Scalp Sugar Elixir to just like seal the moisture on her locks, because for locks, I think for locks you have to be using like very lightweight products. So like my oil is very lightweight, it's like very and it's the perfect sealant because it contains sunflower oil and castor oil, but it's very lightweight. So I just did this to seal in all the moisture and all that good stuff, section by section. The little went a long way as usual. I always make magic, okay? Let me hype myself, I beg. Then this up will be available sometime in March or April. I'm coming back soon. My business is coming back soon. So anticipate for my locked brethren, my locked sisters. Okay, so I'm applying some oil on her scalp. You don't have to apply so much oil on like your scalp if you just got locks, because like you don't want to risk build up at like your starting stage. So I'm just applying very little. And this oil actually very, like I said earlier, so like you're not going to have like so much build up, to be very honest. I would share more of Uloma's locked hair care routine later on, so just anticipate locked videos. Okay baby, we are back. I'm just going now, just massaging it all around her scalp just to get it everywhere. So she was very excited, guys. I'll show you guys an up close look. You can see the pattern. God, I did walk. Oh. See the parts, guys. Watch this video till the end, see her actual reaction when she saw herself, because she had not seen herself. Oh. We were filming with the back camera, so she could not even see herself. So just watch to the end, okay? So these are just like the sections. I love the texture of her hair. I love the texture of her locks. This 2-strand twist method was just perfect. Her hair is so bouncy and so alive and so rich, okay? So you can see her just happy and excited. She was just excited, to be very honest. So this is her final reaction. Yeah, I'm in the mirror. Hold the mirror, close your eyes, but hold the mirror. Close your eyes, but hold the mirror. Open your eyes. Like it, Abby?
I don't like it. I love it.
You didn't look. It shock you. No cry, you. Okay. No cry. I think I was half my head with this fine.
I know. If it was a cup like this, is like a cup. God. Like, I like this side more than this side. I don't know why. I like this side.
Yeah.
It's like my hair looks like those Instagram vlogs.
I want to see this one now. Stand up.
I see the cup in the time. It looks like even this one.
I sabi walk. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm very excited for Uloma's new lock journey. We're just happy, okay? Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Natural Kachi. Follow Uloma at Uloma_Umbe. Please expect more lock content. Tell me any lock tips you have in the comment section so that I can also learn, because this is kind of like a learning process for me also. Join the K gang. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, everywhere at Natural Kachi. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to faith it till you make it. Bye.
See how she dey stand for corner. If you know man, I go like you to call her. She say she like up man, look at the color. If I forget the name, I go use true color. See how she dey stand for corner. If you know man, I go like you to call her. She say she like up man.